Hello students, in this lecture we will discuss about redox reactions. Redox reactions are the reactions in which oxidation and reduction occur. Redox reactions are the reactions, redox reactions are the reactions in which there is oxidation and reduction. There is oxidation and reduction. Redox word is formed from two words. Red means reduction, ox means oxidation. Okay students, oxidation. What is oxidation and what is reduction? In the word oxidation word start from oxy means oxygen. Oxidation is addition of oxygen to any element and compound. Oxidation, addition of oxygen to any compound. You can remember oxidation by the word oxy. Oxy means addition of oxygen. Reduction means removal of oxygen. Oxidation is addition of oxygen. Reduction is removal of oxygen. Reduction is addition of hydrogen. Oxidation is removal of hydrogen. One more definition. Oxidation word start from the letter O, and in the word loss there is also letter O. You can remember by this. Oxidation is loss of electrons. Reduction is gain of electrons. Oxidation word start from oxy. Oxy means oxidation is addition of oxygen and its reverse is reduction. Removal of oxygen is reduction. Removal of oxygen is reduction, or addition of hydrogen is also reduction. Removal of hydrogen is oxidation. Oxidation is loss of electron. Electron losing is oxidation. Reduction is gain of electron. Electron gaining is reduction. Now we will study some examples, and before examples you can note down this. Okay students, examples of redox reactions. For example, methane CH4 burn in air, O2 burn in oxygen to form CO2 and H2O. Hydrocarbons always burn in oxygen to form CO2 and H2O. Let's balance this. This equation is balanced. In this reaction, in reactant side, here hydrogen is attached to carbon, but in product side carbon is linked to oxygen. Means hydrogen is removed and oxygen is added. Hence methane is oxidized. But in oxygen hydrogen is added to oxygen. Hence oxygen is reduced. In this reaction. Another example is H2 plus O2, they react to form H2O. Here oxygen is added to hydrogen. Oxygen is added to hydrogen. In reactant side hydrogen is alone, but in product side hydrogen is linked to oxygen. Hence hydrogen undergo oxidation and oxygen undergo reduction, because in oxygen hydrogen is added. Okay, so try to remember redox reactions.